Hi everyone. Today we will discuss about most important lean waste, which is defects or errors, which leads to rework, corrections, which leads to the increase in cost. So let's see what exactly this lean waste type is. So before we move ahead, I would say if you have not already subscribed to our channel Pax Beast, please do that to keep updated. Okay, let's move. Now let's see first of all what is a defect or error. If I say any obstruction, any deficiency or any shortcoming that does not allow to meet the requirements first time, that is called defect. Why first time is important? Because if you have to correct this or if you have to rework to make it correct, that becomes you have to do work twice, which will increase the cost, which will take time. That is why this is called defect. So anything which does not allow to complete the requirement first time is a defect. It could be anything. It could be color issue, it could be size issue, it could be anything which does not allow. It could be any obstruction, anything which does not allow to meet the requirements first time. Now let's see some of the examples. For example, if there is a wrong entry in the register, bill, invoice, either you correct it by whitener, then rewrite it, or you have to print a new bill, or you have to make a new entry and cancel the old entry or on the invoice, which will be a rework. And then if you are printing it on the copy, hard copy, it is a again waste of paper, waste of time, right? So it is basically a rework if you have done any wrong entry on any of the part, maybe any instruction or anything. Let's say the second example, size defect. You have ordered something with the size specifications. I need this bill book with this size, but the cutting is wrong. The bill book size is different, which you didn't want. Banner size. You received a different banner size. You wanted to have small pens, but there are uh, pens like long pens. It's a size issue. The banner size issue, bill book size issue. It could be anything which the size, for example, you wanted to have the laptop 14-inch laptop. Now these laptops which are sent are 15-inch. You wanted to have the screen 17-inch, but they have sent it 15-inch. So anything related to size which is not meeting your requirement is a size defect. Let's say another example of the defect, printing defect. There is a spelling mistake on the banner. There is a design mistake on the banner. There is a font mistake on the banner. There is a quality of the banner is not good. The color of the banner is not as per specification. The color of the notebook is not as per the specification. Color of the pen is not as per the specification. It could be anything. Let's say color defect. Banner color is different. Again, we discussed already. The light color is not as per specification. The kind of green color light or the blue color light which you wanted is not as per that. The color of the car which they have done is not as per your specification. They have done something different color. You wanted to paint your car with different color, but it is not exactly the blue color which you want, or red color, green color, or maroon color which you wanted. Bug list. Another example from the software industry is bug list. So if the software is not run first time, there are bugs. That is a defect which does not allow to run the software or any function. Or if the software runs keep slowing down, that is a bug. If the design of the software as per not the requirement, that is also a defect. If the software breaks down in between, that is also a defect. So anything which does not meet the requirement is a defect. That is an example from the software industry. Now let's say in the healthcare industry. So incomplete surgical kit, there is some tool is missing. Anything which is missing from the complete surgical kit is a defect. Now from the hospital's example, I would say the rooms are not clean, bed sheets not changed as per the requirements. Maybe it's a daily requirement, maybe it's a alternative day, whatever is the requirement to change the bed sheets or clean the rooms daily, weekly, or whatever. So as per the specifications, as per the guidelines, if it's not done as per that, that is a defect which will cause customer dissatisfaction, which will cause money, which will increase the money, increase the cost to anything. Now, paint is not done on all the parts of car or house. If the paint is not done completely, they may need to repeat this. They may need to do it again. This is a rework. Now, another example: the wrong stationery ordered or wrong stationery sent. The defect. Instructions, statements, details missing in the document. Again, this is a defect which will make the product defective. Wrong pen color, wrong banner, which will make the defective product. Any color, anything which is wrong, color is wrong, this is the defect, but it is making the product defective. So I cannot accept the banner because the size of the banner, the color of the banner is not as per my specification or as per customer's specification. That is defective product. So a defective product can have multiple defects. Now, the defects are two types of defects. One is major, one is minor. So how this is impacting customer and whether customer is willing to accept the product with that defect completely depends on the customer. If customer is not willing to accept, the entire cost will go to the seller. So it is very important to check the requirement specifications to see what exactly customer needs, contacting with the customer and understanding the complete needs, or maybe first prototype is being created before that, or anything. It could be in any way, like in any industry, according to the requirement, what can be done before we start the production or before it is being purchased or before it is being delivered, right? So I think this is pretty much clear to everyone. So next time we will come with another topic. So until then, bye. Thank you so much. Keep watching.